right, Math 1, final benchmark, number 30. Triangle PQR, so PQR is translated horizontally to form triangle UVW. Which statement is true? All right, translations preserve angle measures and side lengths because they are rigid motions. So by the side congruent theorem, it can be concluded that VU, all right, here is VU is 2.2. All right, PQ is 2.2, UV is 2.2, so this one looks correct. Let's see what the other ones say. Translations preserve by angle measures and side lengths because they are rigid motions. So by the side congruent theorem, it can be concluded that UW is 2.5. UW is 2.5. This one should be 4. So that one is not correct because that should be 4 instead of 2.5. All right. The first part says the same thing. So by side, angle, side, it can be concluded that VU is 2.2. That is 2.2, but side, angle, side, we're not given any angle measures here. So because we're not given any angle measures, we can rule that out. Same thing with here. And since we know this one doesn't work, that means we have to go with A. A is the correct answer for number 30.